Today, I am taking the train. Today, I am taking the train. I am packing my bag now. I am packing my bag now. I have my ticket. Good. I have my ticket. Good.
Do not forget your scarf. Do not forget your scarf.
I will bring it, Rose. I will bring it, Rose. Do not worry. I should wear my warm cardigan. I should wear my warm cardigan. Goodbye, Rose. I will be home for dinner. Goodbye, Rose. I will be home for dinner. The station is not far. The station is not far. One ticket to Millbrook, please. One ticket to Millbrook, please. I am looking for my seat. I am looking for my seat. This seat is mine. Window side. I am sitting by the window now. I am sitting by the window now. The train is moving. The train is moving. Here we go. There are fields outside the window. There are fields outside the window. Millbrook, I bought the right ticket. Millbrook, I bought the right ticket. Good morning. Good morning. Nice train. The sky is so blue today. The sky is so blue today. I should call Rose when I arrive. I should call Rose when I arrive. Oh! We went through a tunnel. It was a very long tunnel. It was a very long tunnel. Millbrook is the next stop. Millbrook is the next stop. I am getting my bag ready. I am getting my bag ready. I arrived at Millbrook. Beautiful. Arrived at Millbrook. Beautiful. The town looks very peaceful. The town looks very peaceful. I am walking on the stone path. I am walking on the stone path. There is a small bookshop here. There is a small bookshop here. Let me look inside. Just a moment. Let me look inside. Just a moment. Oh no! I cannot find my ticket! Oh no! I cannot find my ticket! Here it is! It was in the side pocket. It was in the side pocket. I found a wonderful old book. I found a wonderful old book. I will take this one. How much? I will take this one. How much? This book is perfect for the train ride. This book is perfect train ride. I can smell coffee from here. I can smell coffee from here. Can I have a cup of tea, please? Can I have a cup of tea, please? This tea smells so good. This tea's so good. I am reading and drinking tea. Perfect. I am reading and drinking tea. Perfect. Rose would love this little cafe. Rose would love this little cafe. Oh dear, I do not know this street. Oh dear, I do not know this street. The station is that way? Thank you. The station is that way? I will rest here for a few minutes. I will rest here for a few minutes. Rose and I came here many years ago. Rose and I came here many years ago. Time moves very fast. Time moves very fast. I must go back to the station now. I must go back to the station now. I am walking back. I am walking back. The bag feels lighter. I am boarding the train again. Time to go home. Time to go home. The sunset is beautiful from the train. The sunset is beautiful from the train. I bought a wonderful book today. I bought a wonderful book today.
George, are you on the train? George, are you on the train?
Yes, Rose, I am coming home. Yes, Rose, I am coming home. I am home, Rose, and I have a gift for you. I am home, Rose, and I have a gift for you.